Hi everyone, it's kind of still early in the morning, but anyway, I just want to make a quick video about a little experiment I did recently. It's about allergies and mold. We live in Florida. It's like a swamp out there, you know, allergies, pollens everywhere, and my son has allergy issue, or like more than typical average people everywhere in Florida around me. My neighbors, they all have allergies. A lot of them gets the shots. My son gets the shots too for a while, but we kind of stopped it. But anyway, whenever my son gets a flare up, my husband starts doubting, you know, is it a vent? Is it the outside sprinkler system that's triggering? Or is it my plant? I have a plant cabinet in the bedroom, and or it's the carpet. It could be anything, you know, pollen season or whatever. But after the experiment, it really helped me learn a lot. So I'm going to show you my result, and hopefully it'll help you guys too. Okay, so this is the result. So basically what you do is you open this thing and put it on the location you want to test for an hour, and then you close it, you seal it all, put it in a Ziploc bag, and leave it at a dark, warm place for 3 to 4 days, and then you check the result. Now, in my house, only my bedroom has carpet, and it was from the previous owner. We never changed it. I wanted to, but we've been just delaying it. However, here's what I put it. So my husband suspect it's the vent because there's a drip for the condensation, and he think the box in the garage is wet, so the mold is coming from the vent. Here, I taped this at exit vent, and I consider it pretty clear. This is like a 5-day result. This is back porch. I put it right there, and this is what I got. You can see there's multiple different type of mold spores. These are my other bedroom that doesn't have the carpet. This is actually very important because my husband's been blaming it's my cabinet in my bedroom that causes the allergies. This is inside my cabinet with the vent on, with the fan on. It's inside my cabinet. And this is outside my cabinet, just sitting on the counter in my bedroom. So now you can see none of the other room have carpets except my room. My husband suspects it's my cabinet or it's the vent. And I've been telling him for 2 years, change out my carpet. We've been just putting on delays. This is the back porch. So, needless to say, what could be the problem of this mold in my house? I have HVAC people telling me carpet actually absorbs the dust. So if the room have a carpet, it's less likely the dust fly over the room. In the room that has hardwood floor, you know, there's more dust on top of the furniture or, you know, everywhere. So carpet absorbs dust. And my husband swear it was my cabinet. And at some point I was about abandoning my plant hobby from it because my son was really bad at the time. But yeah, I'm so glad I ran this experiment and found out some results from it. Really, I recommend if you or any of your family members have these allergy issues and want to find out more about exactly where it's causing it, maybe buy a test kit. Also want to show you the mold kit. It gives you magnifying glasses, and this book shows you like what kind of mold it has, what name, so you learn where it comes from. Does it cause issues? Is it common? You know, that kind of thing. So there you go. All right, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.